Geeetech A10. I'll show you my first contact with this printer. Hello and welcome. I'm Thorsten. First of all, please don't hate me for my bad English. I apologize for that. I decided to produce this video in English because I want to send it to Geeetech to show them what kind of quality issues I'm fighting with on this printer. My next videos will be switched back to German. This will not be a complete review. The complete review will follow after I did a few more prints on this printer. So I think it will take 1 or 2 more weeks to do that. But now let's start with the printer. The printer was very well packed, delivered, so there's no possibility to bend anything, to crack anything, so that's a good job. After unpacking the printer, I checked every part. The base unit was delivered completely assembled. The XZ unit was delivered completely assembled. So normally the assembly should not take so much time because you only have to fix both together. But, there's always a but, I had a few issues which we are talking about now. First issue, the feet are glued and don't stick well to the aluminum extrusion. So this one can be fixed easily, so I don't go further to this point. Issue number 2, the frame was not assembled in 90-degree angles, so it was wobbling. It was no big deal to fix this, only loosen the screws, adjust the frame and tighten it again. So then it's fixed as well. Issue number 3, the heated bed is not straight in position. Perhaps the drillings are not on the right place. So it's not nice, but it's working. So the heated bed is angled. Now we come to the issues which are not easily to fix, and without fixing you are not able to use this printer. The treat in the V slots of the extrusion showed bumps. This bumps causes that the bed is not sliding smoothly. It locks in several positions so hard that a print will not be possible. To fix it, I turned the 2040 extrusion 180 degree to have the other V slot. It was much better, but not really perfect. After that, I attached the XZ unit to the base unit and wanted to level the bed. Unfortunately, issue number 5 was already there. The bed was wobbling during sliding forward and backward. I guess it was 0.4, 0.5 millimeters, perhaps a little bit more. So don't think about to print with this issue. I checked the clamping force of the V-slot guiding wheels and it was okay. So I disassembled the complete Y carrier and I found that the wheels are not straight in position, and if you're turning the wheels around, the wheels are wobbling as well. So I replaced the wheels with new ones, and after that the wobbling was completely away. And the locking of the heated bed, which I had in the beginning, is gone as well. So now the heated bed is sliding smoothly in the slots. After fixing the wobbling of the heated bed, I wanted to start the leveling, but again it was not possible. Because issue number 6 was the height of the bed. I had different heights on these both edges. I was 5 millimeters higher than in the back, and 5 millimeters is not possible to compensate by the spring. This was caused by different lengths of screws, or not the screws, of spacers, which are used for the wheels. So we have 4 wheels, 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. 2 wheels are mounted with an eccentric nut that you can adjust the clamping force, and the other 2 are screwed in with a spacer. And the spacer from the one side with the eccentric nut on the other side have not the same height. So there's a difference of, I think it was 1.5 millimeters, and 1.5 millimeter in this distance will create nearly 5 millimeter on the complete distance of the heated bed. I tried to fix it by using washers. I got it to 1.5 millimeter difference, and this difference I used washers under the springs to compensate this one. And then I was able to level the bed. After fixing all these issues, I did my first test print. I printed the dog, which was included on the SD card, which was delivered with the printer. The quality is pretty good, and then I did not have any issue anymore. No, not true. I noticed during the print that the cooling fan for the part was not working. So I tried a little bit, and I noticed that it's not working if you don't use 100%. If you adjust it to 50%, if you adjust it to 60, 70, 80%, even to 99%, it's not working. Only if you adjust 100%, then it's running. I'm not sure where does it come from, and I'm not sure at the moment how to fix it. So this is a point which I have to investigate in the future. I'm satisfied with the quality of the first print I did on this printer. It worked well. But the quality of the printer is far from good. I think if a beginner would buy this printer, he will get crazy. I saw several reviews with similar or same issues like I had, so it don't seems to be an individual case. So please, Geeetech, improve the quality of your printer. All 7 points I mentioned in this video need to be improved, and then you have a very good printer. It works at the moment pretty good, so I think without the quality issues it's great. Geeetech, here's your invitation to comment the video how you want to fix this issue, or perhaps you already did. Perhaps other viewers have experience with this printer as well. So leave a comment, subscribe, and have an awesome day. Bye bye, see you next time.